Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Mike in the Kitchen. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make slow cooked turkey legs in the crock pot. This dish is very easy to make, very simple, and all you need is a few ingredients. These turkey legs are very juicy, and the way we're going to cook them, the meat is going to fall off the bone and pretty much melt in your mouth. So stay tuned, pay attention, take notes, and I'm going to share with you this recipe. The only seasonings you need is olive oil, Cajun seasoning, garlic butter seasoning, and for me specifically, I'm using Kinder's roast chicken seasoning, but you can use any alternative that you want. It's up to you, but I just like using Kinder's. The seasoning is high quality, tasty, and trust me, you will love it if you've never tried Kinder's before. And last but not least, you'll need some turkey legs. I usually buy my legs from the grocery store. I'm pretty sure you can find your turkey legs from your local grocery store or butcher's. And let's get started. You want to place your turkey legs in the crock pot, and you want to drizzle a 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil all over the turkey legs. You want to rub the olive oil into the turkey legs. You want to get the olive oil all over the turkey legs, over each part of the turkey legs, because we don't want the turkey legs to stick to the bottom of the crock pot. So just keep rubbing the olive oil in. You want to flip the turkey legs to the other side, and you want to pour another 1/4 teaspoon over the turkey legs, and you want to do what you did before. You just want to rub the olive oil into the turkey legs. Just keep rubbing the olive oil in. Now get your Cajun seasoning and just shake it on top of the turkey legs. Get a lot of it on there because we want these turkey legs to taste nice and tasty. Now grab the garlic butter seasoning and just continuously shake your garlic butter seasoning over the turkey legs. Get a lot of it on there. Last but not least, grab your Kinder seasoning or whatever alternative seasoning you want to use and continue to shake it on the turkey legs. Now what you want to do, you want to pat the seasoning into the legs. So just use both of your hands and just keep patting the seasoning in. Flip the turkey legs around, and we're going to repeat the process. Shake your Cajun seasoning, then garlic butter seasoning, then your alternative seasoning. Now pat the seasoning into the turkey legs. Now what I like to do is pick up some of the remaining seasoning at the bottom of the pan and just rub it into the top of the legs. So every morsel area, part of the legs can get seasoning on it. Now that we finished prepping the turkey legs, we're going to put the lid on the crock pot and set the temperature on low and let it cook for 7 hours. After 7 hours, we can turn it off and start enjoying our legs. Okay, so 7 hours have passed and our turkey legs are finished. Don't they look good? Don't they look juicy? Are you ready to bite into them? Trust me, these are very tasty, very delicious. And more than likely, you're probably going to want to share it with your friends and family. I enjoy making these turkey legs all the time. I think they're very easy to make. They're very healthy, and they provide a lot of protein. As you can see here, I'm cutting into the turkey leg, and look how easily it comes apart. As I told you, these are fall off the bone turkey legs, and they're very delicious, very tasty, and I know you will enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out. And thank you for tuning in. I will see you next time. Take care.